I'm not sure why
Allow
Mr.
the
Raju
person
and
to
the state
complete
is
his
so
submission.
worried. They have
Allow the person to
searched,
complete
they have
his submission.
stormed.
What are
I'm very sorry, Mr. Raju. We are not on caveat.
You are on
We are
caveat.
not parties. The Trinamool Congress is not on caveat.
That's the point.
Yes, Mr.
Privacy
Raju's
concern
argument
is
that
it
we
has
are
been
before
dealt
the
with
Supreme
in-
Court on
the challenge
caveat
was made
is
to Section
factually
70.
wrong.
Put on
This
mute.
is our
Again, I'm
political
putting
data.
it on mute.
And in those terms, my lady, we respectfully come to my lady to then dispose of this matter as my lady sees fit. Because unlike Mr. Raju, I don't try to bully courts.
How does she know? Without seeing my petition, how does she know?
Case status, Mr. Raju, case status.
In so far as the ED matter is covered, the ED is the second matter. I believe the prayers before the Supreme Court are almost identical.
My lord, identical. My lord, why? My lord, will kindly bear me for 2 minutes.
He's here.
Yes.
Is there?
And Happy New Year to you, my lady. It's my first appearance in my lady's court.
Finally, I will.
So I am appearing
Kindly
for
have
the
a minute.
Trinamool Congress here
Dr.
today
Mineta, I'm addressing the
in
court.
item 1.
Please don't-
In item 1.
Now,
Hello,
kindly
Mr.
have a look at
Raju. Nice to see you.
Kindly have a
also.
look at the interim relief that they've asked for, page 20. They've asked that they should not divulge leaking, sharing information of the seized article. Those seized articles are seized by them. No, nothing is seized by the ED. Where's the question of any interim relief?
Merits, sir.
My lady, I was following the
No, it's
proceedings
not on merits.
YouTube.
It's not on merits. What I'm saying
I was
is
surprised to hear
there
Mr.
is an
Raju
interim
arguing
relief
maintainability
which
on his
requires
own
an urgent
petition.
hearing.
The first time I've heard
Why
such
is
an
the matter
argument.
being heard today? When I'm saying that the Supreme Court is seized of the matter.
To make our submissions, I believe.
Mr.
No, I believe we are entitled to make our submissions, Mr. Raju.
I'm
Now,
not saying that.
my
I'm
lady,
not saying that, but you're
my
entitled to
lady,
make
I am
the
here.
submissions are that the matter should be adjourned.
May I just
until
be
the
allowed to
Supreme
place
decides
my
on the matter.
point? Because I have waited so patiently and eagerly to just be allowed into my lady's
That's not
court.
my problem. That's not
Yes.
my problem.
No, Mr. Raju, of course, nothing is your problem. But
Yes.
be that as it may,
Your ladyship may
my
kindly.
lady,
I have
what
not
is
finished
before my
addressing the court.
lady?
I have not
What is
finished
before my
addressing the
lady
court.
is
I have not finished addressing the
yes.
court.
Yes, what is before my lady are two petitions.
But I have not
I am
finished.
here-
If
I
this
am
is the
here
manner
for
in
the
which the
PFC.
proceedings are being done, then your ladyship may do whatever you want. I am not being allowed to complete my submissions.
Let me hear the petition.
Generally, Mr. Raju, judges are allowed to decide the way they
No,
want.
I'm not. I'm not.
Generally,
saying,
unless you're
I'm
saying
not
something
about the
else that
judges.
we are hearing for the first time
But
today.
you are interjecting and you're objecting
Yeah.
and you're intervening when I am addressing the
Yes,
court.
I am the petitioner. Obviously,
yes,
I am the lead petitioner. Obviously, I will want to place my case, Mr. Raju.
No, nobody
Forgive me
said
for
that.
expecting this.
No,
Forgive
it's
me
not.
for
It's not a
expecting
question
this.
of-
Yes, my lady, may I just say that the petition, the lead petition before you is the one
Your ladyship is not
602
allowing my
of
request.
2026.
You are rejecting my request.
602 of
rejecting
2026.
my
This is
request.
in the matter of the Trinamool Congress versus the Union of India. Now, in this case, my lady,
I can't hear your ladyship.
our point is
I can't hear your ladyship.
simply this.
Complete and hear you.
Allow.
Whenever a maintainability body is being raised, it should be decided fast.
Learned Counsel has preliminarily said that this has become infractures. That is what he wants to submit.
Allow the person to address the
Absolutely.
court.
So
My
that
lady, I'm not sure why
Allow
Mr.
the
Raju
person
and
to
the state
complete
is
his
so
submission.
worried. They have
Allow the person
searched,
to complete
they have
his submission.
stormed. Now they don't want us to argue. They don't want
What
my
is all
lady
this?
to
What is all
hear.
this?
I mean,
What is
you
all
know,
this
it is an
drama-bazi?
extraordinary sign of bullying, in fact, if I
No,
may,
there's no
with
question of
great
bullying.
respect, by the state here.
yes,
By the ED here, my lady, by the ED, by the Enforcement Directorate. Now, may I
I am
just say
not
this?
running away from arguing the petition.
Yeah,
I'm
may
saying
I
the
just
Supreme
say-
Court says of
please,
the
My
matter
lady,
that should be
the
adjourned
Enforcement
to
Directorate
the
has
matter.
filed something in the Supreme Court. We are not party there. We do not know
Yes,
what they
you're on
filed.
caveat. I'm sorry, you're on
Yeah,
caveat.
Mr.
The copy has
Raju
been
says
served on
that,
you.
oh, it's been filed there, therefore you shouldn't hear
No,
this.
their
My lady,
copy
we
has
want
been
to
served.
say,
What is this? Copy has been served on them. They're on caveat. How can she argue that we don't know what
I'm very sorry, Mr. Raju, we are not on caveat.
You are on
We
caveat.
are not parties. The Trinamool Congress is not on caveat.
That's the point.
Yes. Now, we are not on caveat. We are not a party. We do not know what the Enforcement Directorate has filed in the Supreme Court. We take Mr. Raju at his word, saying they filed something. Against whom, we don't know. But certainly not us. Now, why I am before my lady, and my lady, it is a privilege for me to be in your court for the first time today. Why I am before is that in this matter, which is the lead matter before you, I want to make 3 points. One, we are not a party in the Supreme Court. We are very happy to be heard by any court. Two, there was a search. Now, all we believe We are not clear because, you know, the way the nature of these searches, we don't think anything has been
Well,
seized. If
leadership,
something
if
has
she's
been
claiming
seized, our
ignorance of
privacy
the
may be
petition in the
maintained
Supreme Court, let me
because
finish
it
the-
is data belonging to a political party. We live in a constitutional democracy. It's a contentious constitutional democracy. We
Madam,
are in
I've
opposition.
been
That
mute-
is the way
I've
it
been
is. We
muted.
want our
When I want to
political
speak, I've
data
been
to
muted.
be safeguarded. Many judges in Puttaswamy spent a long time hearing and finding that there is a right to privacy, including on the basis of political ideology. And political data forms a part of political ideology, which is protected by a very large constitution bench of this country. And it is constitutional jurisprudence and ethos in this country which is at trial today. That is why I am before my lady, and that is why, Mr. Raju, I wanted to make my point,
No,
if
no.
you will allow me to.
As
So,
far as
Mr.
privacy is
Raju's
concerned,
argument that
it
we
has
are
been
before
dealt
the
with in-
Supreme Court
the
on
challenge
caveat
was
is
made to Section
factually
70.
wrong. I am saying this as an officer of the court on the record. We are not a party, we are not in caveat. Now, what is before you is a matter which my lady may please hear and dispose of. We only respectfully request, as
My
a
lord, somebody is
veteran and
putting you on mute.
determined
This is totally
political
unfair.
party, that our political data be protected,
on mute. If
not
this is the way
released,
proceedings
and
are
not
going on, how
released to
can
the
I argue?
media, and not used in a political fashion against us.
Again, I'm put on
This
mute.
is our
Again, I'm
political
being
data.
put on mute.
And in those terms, my lady, we respectfully come to my lady to then dispose of this matter as my lady sees fit. Because unlike Mr. Raju, I don't try to bully courts.
No, I never bully court.
So I
I'm
want
sorry.
to be
Don't
very
include
clear. So
something
that
which
is why I'm here
unwarranted.
today.
Totally false. How does she say that I'm bullying courts?
India
Where am I
challenged
bullying the court?
petition, so let me hear him.
No, no.
Very well, my lady.
May only submit, your ladyship may permit me to
Structures
place on record the petitions which have been filed in the Supreme Court. Will the ladyship permit me?
Academic exercise which will happen. Let him say. Huh, it has.
Mr. Banerjee has submitted that it has become.
Let him say.
That's not the submission of Ms. Dr. Goswami at all.
No, I'm saying we are not a party in the Supreme Court. That is what I'm saying.
For preservation of the political
How
data.
does she know? Without seeing my petition, how does she know?
Case status, Mr. Raju, case status.
What
It
case
is all
status?
available online now.
There is no case status. There is no case status.
And we are not on caveat.
Let me hear the Union of India, please.
Yes, please.
First
Our
objection
petition may
is,
be disposed in those terms.
I
That
am-
as long as our data is protected, we have been heard. That is all we are asking for.
she is not Union of India. The court wants to hear of Union of India. Who is browbeating the court?
Union of India is here.
Second, my mic is being.
Yes.
Kindly takes the.
Kindly have a look, your ladyship.
Sir, I'll Sir?
Every second, my mic is being muted.
ask you not to intervene, please. I request you not to intervene. Let me hear the Union of India.
I am also representing the Union of India. I am ED. I am the Additional Solicitor General. Let me make the submissions. I am representing both. Mr. Banerjee may supplement what I say. But as far as I am concerned, I am the Additional Solicitor General. I have the authority to represent the Union of India.
And what you have said. Let us
Yes,
hear.
now there is something I have not completed. She has barged in, and every time I want to speak, somebody who has the control of the mic switches off the mic. This is how the proceedings are going on. I'm sorry. It's a very sorry state of affairs. Every second my mic is being unmuted. This is not how the proceedings should go on in a court.
Your Lord's Milord, can you take the repetition itself?
Yes.
Again, my mic is muted. I have strong objection. Why is my mic being muted when I'm speaking?
Not muted, sir. But please do.
The ladyship will kindly see somebody is playing mischief. Somebody is playing mischief and muting my mic. This can't be done. This should not be allowed. This would amount to interference with the administration of justice. This may amount to contempt.
Your submission is going to the extent of disturbing the court proceedings, sir. I'm really sorry to say
I'm
this.
sorry. I'm not sorry. Let me make my submission. Now I'll make the submissions.
Hearing he is challenging maintainability. Let me hear him.
He is also my
Yes.
leader, my lord. He is the Additional Solicitor General of India.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so far as mentality point is concerned, my lord, Mr. Raju also may submit all these things.
Mr. Banerjee may submit, then I'll supplement what he says, my lord.
No. He's only on the point that Supreme Court is
Supreme
assessing
Court,
of
when
the
the matter
matter.
is pending,
So
my
the
lord,
matter may be adjourned. That is his
matter is when the
point,
matter is
yes.
pending with the Honorable
But you
Supreme
are
Court.
challenging maintainability.
I am challenging the maintainability
Please
itself,
make
my lord,
your
and
submission.
my second submission would be, my lord, when the matter is also pending with the Honorable Supreme
Maintainability on what issue? Please
Maintainability
tell
on,
me.
yes, kindly take the repetition itself.
Yes.
But this repetition was filed by All India Trinamool Congress.
Yes.
Now, my lord, address is 30B, Horish Chatterjee Street. My lord, your lordship would get the, my lord, address, my lord, at the custodial itself. Now, my lord, your lordship, my lord, kindly see paragraph 3.